In this video, I'm going to show you how to make this tropical card using the Tropical Oasis suite. So it's got palm trees and a plumeria. So here's the card and the suite. This is the Timeless Tropical Stamp Set, and it coordinates with the In the Tropics dies. And if you purchase them together in a bundle, you'll get 10% off. Go to my website, eStampin.com, and click on Shop Now. Use the hostess code and I will send you a free gift. I have also used, the paper that coordinates with this whole suite is called Tropical Oasis, and it's got some really pretty designs, so I wanted to show that to you too. So for this card, I started with a card base of So Saffron, and if you can see, there's a texture on there. And I used the Coastal Weave embossing folder to create that texture. So I'm just going to go ahead and adhere this down. And then I have stamped the palm trees and the plumeria and cut those out already. So here's the plumeria, and then here are the palm trees. That's the kitty running around with her toy, sorry. And I've used the markers to color the tree and the palm fronds, and then I stamped them and cut them out with the dies. So that's that right there. So I've got those elements ready. The other part is I'm going to stamp the flower, the plumeria, again using So Saffron, just to make a little background for the palm trees. So I'll do 3. One down here. And then I'm going to emboss Thank You on this piece right here. So I've got my embossing buddy. And then I'm gonna stamp with Versamark. And I'm gonna get my powder ready. So here's the Thank You. Thank you. Powder on that pretty quick before it dries. Looks good. So now I'm going to heat it up and melt the powder with the heat tool. All right, so now I'm going to put dimensionals on some of these things, and I'm going to make this little window dimensional too. It's kind of fun to do that. So I'm going to place this here and use these two as well. And then I'm going to grab another one. I use all the pieces of the dimensionals. And did I cut this one? I did. So I will do that one over here. And I'll just do some regular ones down here. And then we'll do some on the palm tree and the plumeria. So I'm going to go ahead and remove the backings to the adhesives. And then I'm going to keep this upside down to place the white piece on so I can see exactly where I'm placing it. I find it a little bit more difficult if I do it the other way and I place it with this face up. So I'll show you what I mean. So here it is. So I'm going to leave it upside down. I'm going to turn this upside down, and it's just easier to know where to place it so I'm not going over any edges. Whereas if I do it the other way, I have a harder time placing it. So that's just what I do. That's just my own trick. So there, I know that it all fits within the crumb cake. So I'm just going to put some adhesive on there and place it on the card, tilted. And then I'll add the palm trees. I'll just stick them in there. And the plumeria. So that's my card, and thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel so you can check out all my other videos. Thanks. Bye.